Hi guys, my name is Yash. I'm a ECBA certified business analyst, and today we'll be continuing with our 50th question of our BA interview series. So here it goes. What did the interview ask? How do you model data flows and data dictionaries? So I'll answer. As a business analyst, I use data flow diagrams to visually represent how data moves across systems, processes, users, and databases. DFDs helps in understanding data moments, identifying dependencies, and analyzing how information is processed throughout the workflow. For creating DFDs and process visualizations, I use tools like Draw.io, Lucidchart, or Visio. Along with that, I maintain data dictionaries to clearly define data elements such as field names, descriptions, formats, validation, source systems, and business rules. This helps ensure data consistency and reduce ambiguity across teams. I usually maintain data dictionaries in tools like Excel, Confluence, or shared documentation repositories so that developers, QA teams, and stakeholders all have common understanding of the data structure. In my CraftCart project, I model flows related to order processing and payment handling to understand how transaction and inventory data moved between the users, the payment gateway, sellers, and order management systems. I also defined important data fields and validations to maintain consistency in business rules and reporting. Overall, data flow modeling and data dictionaries help improve clarity, traceability, integration, understanding, and data consistency across the project. So as you can see, I have used data flow diagrams to visually represent how data moves between users, systems, processes, APIs, and databases. This helps in understanding how information flows, where data is stored, and how it's processed across systems. So data flow modeling, I create DFDs to visualize system interaction, identify dependencies, understand integrations, and analyze how data moves throughout the workflow. For process visualization, I usually use tools like Draw.io, Lucidchart, Visio, or Miro. Along with DFDs, I maintain data dictionaries to clearly define field names, descriptions, data types, formats, validations, source systems, and business rules. This helps maintain consistency, traceability, and a common understanding across teams. Tools I use are Excel, Confluence, or shared documentation repositories so that development, QA teams, and stakeholders can easily access and understand the data structure. Why it's important? Data flow modeling and data dictionaries help reduce ambiguity, improve integration, understanding, support testing, and ensure proper data validation. They are especially useful when multiple systems are interacting. In my CraftCart project, I model data flows related to order processing and payment handling. I analyzed how transactions and inventory data moved between customers, payment gateways, sellers, and the order management system. I also defined important data fields like order ID, payment status, inventory quantity, retry status, and transaction ID, along with validation rules to ensure consistency in reporting and business processes. Proper data flow modeling helps teams understand system behavior, improve integration clarity, reduce data related issues, and maintain consistency across application. DFDs help visualize how data moves throughout the system, while data dictionaries help define and standardize the data being used. So, overall, data flow modeling and data dictionaries help improve clarity, traceability, integration, understanding, and data consistency across the project. So, I hope you learned something from it. Thank you so much for watching.